Everyone, my RocksBox just got here for the month of March and I wanted to share with you guys what I got. So let's take a look. So here's the box that the jewelry comes in with a cute little bow and rose gold letters. So the first thing I pull out is this care card. The second thing is this little booklet that tells me the price of each piece of jewelry. I love how it's packaged. It's just so pretty and it makes me feel like I'm opening a present. Here are the 3 little bags that the jewelry comes in. Sometimes they're black. This time they all say RocksBox on them. Here is the first little bag. Let's look inside. I like how well they take care of the jewelry and how they package it. So here are the earrings. They're really pretty, perfect for Valentine's Day. I really do like the detail of the little diamonds on the first earring. Here is the second little bag. Here is this beautiful little necklace, and I really do like the detail. I like the white actually in the necklace also. So here is the third little bag. So this is the second time I received this bracelet. I am definitely keeping it this time. This is a beautiful classic tennis bracelet. I like how the diamonds go all the way across and they don't stop very short. I've seen other bracelets that do that. This is very, very beautiful. It shines so much in person. I have a link down at the bottom so that you can get a free month of RocksBox. So that is about it. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.